Did you know that a simple ingredient sitting in your kitchen can naturally tighten your skin, boost collagen, and reduce fine lines? Yes, I'm talking about flax seeds. If you're looking for an affordable, chemical-free way to firm up sagging skin, you're in the right place. Stay with me as I reveal a powerful DIY flaxseed mask that can give you the youthful glow naturally. Flaxseeds are a hidden gem in the skincare world. They are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and plump. Lignans and antioxidants fight free radicals, helping prevent wrinkles and sagging. Hydrocolloid content acts as a natural skin tightening agent, giving you a smooth, lifted look. Regular use of flax seeds in skincare can help tighten pores, improve skin elasticity, and restore your youthful glow. And the best part, it's completely natural, safe, and budget-friendly. Now, let's make this powerful flaxseed mask in just a few simple steps. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons flax seeds, 1 cup water. Optional: a few drops of honey or aloe vera for extra hydration directions. Boil flax seeds in water until you get a gel-like consistency. Let it cool, then strain the gel into a clean bowl. Apply a thin, even layer to your face using a brush or your fingers. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes until it tightens. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start noticing a visible difference in your skin's firmness and texture. To get the best results, follow these pro tips. Always apply on clean skin. Remove makeup and dirt before use. Do a patch test first. Though natural, it's best to test for any allergies. Follow with a moisturizer. Hydrated skin locks in the benefits. Eat flax seeds too. Skincare works best inside and out. Try adding flax seeds to your diet for glowing skin. And there you have it. A simple, natural, and effective way to tighten your skin using flax seeds. No chemicals, no expensive treatments, just pure, natural skincare at home. If you love this remedy, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing beauty secrets.